Hello everyone, welcome back to English Perfectus, where we make mastering English both fun and effective. Today we have an exciting challenge for you, a fluency test to help you discover your level of English. Have you ever wondered, am I really an advanced English speaker? Well, by the end of this video, you'll know for sure. Why is this important? Knowing your level of fluency isn't just about bragging rights. It helps you understand your strengths and pinpoint the areas where you can grow. For example, identifying strong vocabulary skills might encourage you to focus more on grammar, while realizing a weakness in idioms could lead you to practice with more real-life examples or specialized resources. Plus, it gives you a clearer path to becoming truly fluent. So let me ask you, what level of English speaker do you consider yourself to be? Beginner? Intermediate? Maybe advanced? Comment below with your answer now, and let's see if the test confirms it. Ready? Let's get started. Here's how the test works. I've designed a series of questions to challenge your vocabulary, grammar, and idiom usage. These are skills that separate intermediate speakers from advanced ones. There are 3 sections in the test. Advanced vocabulary. We'll look at nuanced word meanings and tricky usage. Complex grammar. Can you spot advanced grammar patterns? Idioms and expressions. How well do you understand and use these in context? Each question will have a time limit, so make sure you pause the video if you need more time to think. Aim to spend about 15 to 20 seconds per question to challenge yourself without rushing. Don't rush. This isn't about speed, it's about precision. Grab a pen and paper, and let's jump into the first section. Question 1. What does the word inadvertently mean in the sentence? She inadvertently sent the email to the wrong person. A. Carefully. B. Accidentally. C. Deliberately. Or D. Quickly. The correct answer is B. Accidentally. Inadvertently means without intention or by mistake. For example, I inadvertently left my phone at home. Let's try another. Question 2. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. The scientist's discovery was a moment in the history of medicine. Is it A. Trivial, B. Pivotal, C. Redundant, or D. Arbitrary? The correct answer is B. Pivotal. Pivotal means extremely important or crucial. Here's the last vocabulary question. Question 3. Fill in the blank. The presidential debate last night was a particularly 1. A. Versatile. B. Elaborate. C. Prudent. Or D. contentious? The correct answer is D, contentious. Contentious means controversial or likely to cause an argument. Now, let's test your knowledge of advanced grammar. Question 1. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. If I would have known, I would have told you. B. If I had known, I would have told you. C. If I knew, I would tell you. D. If I will know, I would have told you. The correct answer is B. If I had known, I would have told you. This is the correct form of a third conditional sentence. Remember, the third conditional is used to talk about hypothetical situations in the past. Let's try another one. Question 2. Fill in the blank. Hardly the concert started when it began to rain. A. Had. B. Has. C. Will. Or D. Have. The correct answer is A. Had. This structure, hardly had, when, is used for past events that happen almost simultaneously. Here's the final grammar question. Choose the correct sentence. She has been working here for 3 years, and she is always arriving late. She has worked here for 3 years, and she is always arriving late. She has been working here for 3 years, and she always arrives late. She has been worked here for 3 years, and she always arrived late. The correct answer is C. She has been working here for 3 years, and she always arrives late. The present perfect continuous, has been working, is correctly used to indicate the action has been going on for 3 years. The second clause should use the simple present, always arrives, to express a habitual action. Lastly, let's see how well you know advanced idioms and expressions. Question 1. What does the idiom "to hit the nail on the head" mean? A. To make a mistake. B. To say exactly the right thing. C. To exaggerate. D. To criticize someone unfairly. The correct answer is B. To say exactly the right thing. For instance, when Sarah suggested we should simplify the design, she hit the nail on the head. Here's another one. Question 2. What does spill the beans mean? A. To make a mess. B. To reveal a secret. C. To cook something poorly. D. To misunderstand something. The correct answer is B, to reveal a secret. For example, he accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. Here's the final question. What does the idiom "to be in hot water" mean? A, to be in trouble. B, to be very busy. C, to feel uncomfortable. D, to relax. The correct answer is A, to be in trouble. For instance, she found herself in hot water after missing the deadline. Great job. Now it's time to evaluate your performance. How did you do? Here are the answers one more time. Go ahead and tally your score. If you scored 8 or 9, congratulations, you're likely at an advanced level. If you scored between 5 and 7, you're doing well, but there's room to grow. If you scored 4 or below, don't worry, this is a chance to identify areas for improvement. Let's talk about strategies to improve. For vocabulary, read more advanced materials like news articles or novels. For grammar, focus on practice exercises, especially conditional sentences and complex structures. And for idioms, try watching TV shows or movies with subtitles. Pay attention to how native speakers use expressions in context. For example, shows like Friends or my personal favorite, The Office, are excellent for hearing idioms used naturally in conversations. Podcasts or YouTube channels focused on casual English can also be helpful resources. Remember, reflection is key. Think about which section was the hardest for you and why. You could journal your thoughts about the test, noting specific questions you struggled with and why they were challenging. Alternatively, discuss your answers with a peer or mentor to gain new perspectives and insights. Use this test as a guide to set specific goals. Write them down and commit to working on them over the next month. If you're serious about improving your English and getting to that advanced level of fluency, use the link in the description to check out our B2C Nation and let us help you reach your English goals. That's it for today's fluency test. Self-assessment is one of the most powerful tools for growth. So give yourself a pat on the back for completing the challenge. To make self-assessment a regular part of your routine, consider setting aside time each week to test yourself, track your progress, and adjust your learning path based on your results. What did you learn about your English skills today? Share your results in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another lesson. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Until next time, keep learning, and we'll talk soon.